Okay, today I want to talk about how I transitioned into tech through user acceptance testing. And I always encourage people who want to transition into tech to look out for, especially if you don't have prior tech background, to look out for areas that have less of coding. And user acceptance testing is one of such skills that can help you transition into tech without much stress. And the beautiful thing is that as you move in as a user acceptance testing, you're going to be working with other teams. Okay, you're going to be working with developers, you're going to be working with software testers, you're going to be working with cyber security experts, and even the business. So it helps you integrate into the world of tech, right? So what is the work of a user acceptance testing? Remember, software goes through four to five stages in development, and we've talked about the stage of requirement gathering, which is usually carried out by the business analyst. When he's done, he sends those requirements as a document. We'll call it a functional requirement document or business requirement document. It is with this document that the development team at stage 2 of software development uses to translate this requirement into a usable application. So when he is done at stage 2, designing and developing the application, he moves the software to the third stage, which is the software testers. Okay, and the software testers, their work is to check there are no bugs, because usually most times some of the developers of course developers have a test they do, the unit testing, but most times it's not perfect. So when they are done, the software testers will have to run the application, test the application to check there are no bugs, to check that things are working well. Okay, when this unit is through with their work, they move the application to the next stage, which is user acceptance testing. And most organizations have it as a unit, as a separate unit. Okay, and the aim here is to view the application from the user point of view, okay, before it goes to the end users, before it enters the market. So most organizations ensures that every application they're about to release must go through user acceptance testing. At user acceptance testing, you're going to be reviewing what has been developed. You're going to be checking for performance. You're going to be checking that functional requirements are intact. Also, you're going to be checking for controls. Yes, beyond the requirement, what are the controls around this application? If we release this application, if it's a mobile application, can hackers tamper with it? Can people penetrate this application through their login? Okay, details, information of users, are they secured? Are they properly documented? Do they have encryption on sensitive data? You understand? So a lot of task is carried out at this stage, just to be sure that this application we're sending out, okay, is good to go, is good to enter the market, and is one skill that you don't require coding, and is very much in demand. Okay, and if you know how to use your Excel and your Microsoft Word, okay, you'll be fine joining this unit, user acceptance testing. Very much in demand and pays well. So I encourage you today to pick up a course. Yes, you can learn more. You can learn more on Coursera and a lot of learning platform about user acceptance testing. It's a very good skill to transition if you want to move to tech. See you in the next video. Hope you got value.